we have a perception that अंग्रेजी class is a superior class. इसीलिए थोड़े से अंग्रेज़ों ने पूरे हिंदुस्तान पर राज किया. मतलब इतने ज़्यादा अंग्रेज़ नहीं थे कि वो आपको फिज़िकली काबू कर लें, बट आप पे राज किया थोड़े से कुछ अंग्रेज़ों ने, जो कि वहाँ के हिस्ट्री सीटर्स थे, जो इंग्लैंड में जिन लोगों को काम नहीं होता था, जिन लोगों को उनको निकालना होता था अपने कंट्री से, वो यहाँ भेज देते हैं हमें रूल करने के लिए. तो हम वी वर रूल्ड बाय दोस पीपल. सो वी आर स्टिल रूल्ड बाय दिस मेंटालिटी दैट इंग्लिश is a better language, and the culture is a superior culture, because the world is governed by English language. So and also we don't have good schools which are local language medium school. We don't have government schools which are Hindi medium and which are excellent schools. If we had those schools, definitely then there would be a different perception. But government schools, the condition of government schools are very pathetic. So if a person who wants their kid to grow in the life, the automatic thinking is that they should go to English medium school. And my mother was persistent, and she fought with my father. She said they have to study in convent school, and we were put into St. Paul's English School in Jaipur.
As far as that love story is concerned, how was the experience of romancing Deepika Padukone, and that in a very I think believable manner? When we are seeing Bezuban, it's something which is very believable and middle of the road, the way like a Bashu Chatterjee, and all these people who have Sai Paranjpe form of cinema that has been such wonderful part of Indian cinema.
I think I can't see any parallel. When I saw him shooting, I can't see any parallel which we have seen earlier.
Right.
Because now film scene is changing. These young directors, the new directors are bringing a new format, new language to cinema.
Right.
So it's not similar to Basu Chatterjee or Sai Paranjpe, or it's not like that. It's completely a new language. It's a new way of entertaining audience. It is simple. It's identifiable, and it's aspirational, and it will make you feel happy. And it deals with issues. It's not just time pass. It's not just one-liners. There are issues, which you would love to see in the cinema. And you cannot become a complete or powerful woman cancelling out the man. That's what happens. Now what happened? Now they are standing against each other, and then there is a comparison, and that's the most foolish thing in this today's time, when you have so much of information. When you say that the society has evolved, you cannot compare. They start comparing whether this is a weak gender or this is a strong gender, or you have to topple the other gender so that you get your own standing or your own space. You don't need, because both are special and both are incomplete without each other.
Yeah.
So that's where humanism comes. When you understand the importance of the other.
Absolutely.
Neither the man, neither the woman are the objects. They have to coexist and understand each other's importance, and you cannot really compare. When I read the story and I did the film, one thing stays with you, that everything is a story. You think is reality, actually there's no reality. It's all your perception. There are things which you believe in, you think this is what has happened. Even the history, what has been told to you is a story, is a perception of somebody. When it's a perception, it becomes a story. So we are all creation of stories, and what are we? We are stories. We are making our stories right now with our choices. Sometimes what happens, you deflect by supporting these kind of things, because on the grassroots level you are not changing anything.
Exactly.
You want the society to be male dominated, but you somehow show sympathy to these kind of causes, and you deflect things. Okay, something is happening. It's just to console that there's something is happening to give empower.
Piku seems to be a father-daughter relationship, that is Deepika and Mr. Bachchan. So in that regard, how pivotal is your role, sir, and that convinced you to just go?
I think it's not
was
just
it Deepika?
No, it's everything.
Right.
It's a package. It's even a single element was enough for me to work.
Right, sir.
Like Sujit Sarkar, or Juhi's writing, or
Juhi
Bachchan
Chakraborty,
Sahab, or Deepika, Maushmi ji, everybody. I've worked with them for the first time, and so many incentives, you know, so much to look forward to. You know.
You have this uncanny ability for humor as well, which we've seen in several movies. We're seeing I think traces of it when you're saying that 9 साल के बच्चे को भी हमारे साथ में चलेगा,
Adopt करना पड़ेगा.
yeah, adopt करना पड़ेगा. And even apart from that, I'm hearing some great things about your performance in Jazba. That you're having some really quirky one-liners over there as well. Something about this humor aspect that you bring to certain of your characters that you're.
I was looking forward to work, you know, to do a comedy film, but I never got the right script.
Right.
And I also wanted to explore romance.
Right.
I wanted to do romantic films. So I was looking for that, and fortunately, you know, I got both these elements in one script, which is
Right.
Piku. You have humor, you know, it's in a way it's a comedy, and there is a love story.
Right.
You know, for me, the film was a love story.
Right.
There's a very strong father and daughter relationship story, but then there's another aspect to the story. Every language has its own peculiarities, and that cannot be translated into other. Like जाट का ह्यूमर आप इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर सकते.
Absolutely.
No. या लखनऊ में जिस तरह का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है वो ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो सकता. सो हर लैंग्वेज की अपनी पिक्यूलरिटी होती है, उसका अपनी एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है, उसका एक उसकी रूट्स होती हैं. आई एम होपफुल दैट वन डे I'll get the chance to play Sahir. I am dying to play Sahir, and I'm huge fan of his, and I love him. The way he's changed the scenario in the industry, the kind of lyrics he wrote, everybody was writing about. He changed the definition of love. He brought in a completely different angle to it, and he was not just a writer. He was a thinker. He was a philosopher. He was a great poet with ideas. He brought in new ideas into lyrics, and I'm dying to play him. You pray for me, and I'll pray for myself that I get that chance to play him.